Amazing work, Chroma! Oh, are you feeling okay?
Oh, my lovely cafe!
Don't worry, Chroma. I know what will make you feel better. Here, Chroma. Magic Pet Tea. It'll make you feel better in no time.
Mila, what have you given him?
Oh no, that's regular sweet tea, not Magic Pet Tea.
Sugar rush!
Morphle, he's racing off. Morphle, we need to get Chroma's Magic Pet Tea as quickly as possible to the Magic Pet Center.
What? Not in my city.
I'll be right back. Here, I got Chroma's Magic Pet Tea.
But why Chroma?
I know! Morphle, morph into a satellite so we can scan the whole city.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Woohoo!
Beep, beep, beep! Chroma and morph!
Let's get him! Ah! Look at us! Chroma, we've got your Magic Pet Tea! We're gonna need a lot of arms to hold him still. Quick! Catch him, Morphle! We did it, Morphle! Chroma's cured! Wow!
My car is beautiful again.
That looks better.
Not again! Every day is a colorful day with a magic pet.
Look! My latest invention, the Teddy Zapper. It can turn humans into teddy bears.
Woo! I'm so soft.
Isn't this great?
Morphle, play with teddy bear, Mila.
Goodbye, Professor Paula.
Bye, Mila and Morphle. Now, time to turn myself back. Oh no! My teddy paws can't use the Teddy Zapper.
Did you hear all that? Yeah, I love teddy bears. Ooh, just think of all the fun we could have if everyone in the city was a tiny little teddy bear.
Oh!
Mila teddy bear, best teddy bear.
Oh.
Bandits!
And they have the Teddy Zapper.
Not in my city.
We'll stop those bandits. Morphle, morph into a tiger. Let's go.
What do you two want?
Your magic pet.
What? No way. Hey! Turn me back immediately!
Wait right there, bandits. You're not getting your hands on our magic pets. Morphle, morph into a scary T-Rex.
Morphle, morph, morph! We didn't think that through.
We still need to get the Teddy Zapper. Quick, catch them.
How about we turn you into a teddy bear?
zapper only works on humans.
Oh no! Now I'm a teddy bear! Oh, you're so cute!
Great! Now we can zap everyone back again.
That's better. But not for you two.
Oh, at least I'll have a cuddly teddy bear with me in jail. Let go of me!
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. It's Halloween, Morphle! What are you gonna dress up as?
Ghost!
Oh, spooky! Come on, let's go trick-or-treating!
Ghost!
Huh? Oh, Morphle, it's only your reflection!
Wait for Morphle!
Trick-or-treat!
A ghost! Did you see how much candy they got? Yeah! Be a ghost and get the most!
Mila! Morphle! Two real ghosts just stole my Halloween candy.
But, Jordie, ghosts aren't real.
Then what are they?
Candy!
No! Morphle, morph into a big robot and scare those ghosts away. Morphle?
I'll take that!
Oh, I'll zap you with my zapper!
Oh no, a zapper!
Morphle? Jordie! Mila! Help! Not again!
I'll take that! And I'll take this.
I recognize those shoes!
Uh-oh.
Give it back!
Without Morphle, you can't stop us!
Mila!
Morphle! I was worried about you! Morph into a bat and flap your wings hard!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
No!
I knew it was you two!
Let's split.
Our candy!
Morphle! Morph into a spider and catch those bandits in your web!
Thanks, Mila Morphle.
You're welcome. Thanks for helping even though you were scared.
Morphle no scared anymore!
Oh, every day's a magical day with a magic pet.
These flowers look great, Mila. I think we need some more dirt around the yellow ones.
Morphle, help! Morphle! Morph, morph!
Whoa, thanks for helping, Morphle. Looks like the flowers could use some water now.
Morphle fun!
Oh no, Morphle! You're getting yourself and everything muddy!
Morphle love mud!
You are one muddy Morphle.
Too muddy. Come on, Morphle. Let's make today magical. And take a bath. This bath is so nice and warm. And look, I'm filling it with bubbles.
Morphle, no bath.
Come on now, Morphle. It's bath time.
Morphle, morph, morph.
Hold on, Morphle. Maybe he should morph into a ball, but then he'd bounce away. I got it. Morphle, morph into a penguin so you can dive into the pool.
Morphle, morph, morph.
I'll catch you, Morphle.
Morphle slipping.
Wow, a slip-sliding penguin. Hi.
Morphle, I'm coming to get you. We have to stop this. You're getting mud everywhere. Watch out for Mr. Vanderboost. Morphle, morph into a huge sponge to soak up the water so you can stop.
Morphle, morph, morph.
My ice cream!
Yay, ice cream.
Whoa! Watch out, Morphle!
Now I'm wet! Oh. Ugh. Mud? I really don't like mud. Now go home and take your mess with you.
So sorry, Mr. Vanderboost and Barky. I will. Okay, Morphle, you spongy sponge. Let's get you in the bath and all cleaned up.
Well, we finally got our muddy Morphle into the bath.
I know! Now you're all clean, Morphle, so you can come out of the bath.
Morphle bath time. Morphle stay.
Every day's a magical day with a magic pet. Look, Morphle! Everything's lost its color!
Wow.
Morphle, morph into a magic paintbrush. Morphle, grass isn't blue, it's green.
Oh.
Great, Morphle.
Watch what you're doing! My light was green!
My light was green. White.
Uh-huh. So you're the one who has been stealing all the color from the city. You shouldn't do that. A world without color isn't fun at all.
Oh, Tiger funny.
Yeah, that is funny. Let's paint some more animals in funny colors.
Yay!
Oh, there you are, Chroma. I was looking for you. There are lots of problems in the city because you took away all the colors.
Morphle can help Chroma paint everything back to its original colors again.
Well, it seems you were right. Please, go ahead.
Wow, you solved all the problems in the city already. Morphle and Chroma make a great team together.
Hey everyone! Look what I made! For my best friend!
Yay!
Morphle? I wanted to give him his badge!
What's this?
Oh, I don't know where he is.
Don't worry, Mila. We'll find him together.
Thanks, April.
Where should we look first?
Let's go to all the places he loves, starting with
The ice cream truck.
Oh, a best friend badge for me.
Morphle need badge.
You're not taking my badge. Can't find us here.
Geraldo! Have you seen Morphle? Oh no! Morphle's in trouble! I have to help!
But how do we get up there?
Morphle! Mila! Are you okay?
Bandits mean.
Morphle, morph into a super suit so we can stop them together.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
Oh.
We need to go faster! You stop right there, bandits!
Oh, fine. Here's your badge. Wait, you didn't make that for me?
Morphle, did you make this for me? I love it! Are you sad because you didn't get a badge?
Mila make Morphle badge.
Of course! You're not only my best friend, you make every day a magical day. Morphle, Jordie, shall we play a game?
Yeah!
Yay, tag!
Great! Come on, Morphle, let's make
Orphle play.
Oh, yes! I've got an idea. You two be Team Orphle, and we'll be Team Morphle.
Yeah! A Magic Pet team-up!
Come on, Morphle, let's make today magical.
Orphle, morph into a plane so we can speed away.
Oh, Orphle like horsey wings.
Morphle, morph into a dragon so we can fly faster and tag them.
Morphle, morph, morph. Tag!
Nothing like a nice, clean suit, huh, Barky? My nice, clean suit!
Morph into a helicopter, quick!
Rocket faster!
Tag, you're it!
Oh my! Thank you!
Morphle, morph into a space hopper and let's bounce over there.
Morphle, morph, morph.
My nice, clean suit! Again!
Orphle, morph into a race car!
Space hopper!
Oh, come on!
Uh-oh! Incoming! Morphle! Morph long arms and catch T. Morphle! They're out of control!
Slow down, Orphle!
Help! We've got to save Jordie!
I think that's enough tag for one day.
Me too. My nice clean suit was... Wait, what's that noise? As I was saying, my nice clean suit...
I'm so excited you're moving in, Jordie. Being a new stepbrother and living with the magic pets is going to be awesome, Mila. Jordie, family!
We're going to get the rest of our things so we can properly move into our new home.
Okay, Mom.
Mila, why don't you and Morphle help Jordie settle in?
Sure thing, Daddy. Let's start with this. It's so heavy. Animi, can you please zap the bed to life? Wow. Jordie's bed. Could you please trot upstairs? My bed just ran away! That's the weirdest thing I've ever said. You'll get used to that. Come on, let's catch it! There's my bed. We've got to get close enough for Animi to zap it again. Nothing now! Let's get that bed! Whoa! Is this safe? Don't worry, Jordie. Morphle's got you.
Huh? A galloping bed? Not in my city.
Sorry, Officer Freeze. Yeah! Zap it, Animi! Ooh! Maybe we should just buy a new bed. Let's use our nets. Almost. Got it! Let's try another way. Morphle, morph into a helicopter. Mila, what's happening? I've got an idea, but you're not gonna like it. You're right! I don't like it! Yeah! Get closer, Morphle! Got you! Hold on tight! Whoa! Time to take this bed hunt to the next level. There's another level? Well done, Morphle. Now let's cover it. Here comes my bed. Now, Morphle! It's working! Almost! Great job, Morphle. That's it, bed. Nowhere to go. Zap it, Animi.
Is everyone okay? What have you been up to?
We've just been making my bed.
Hey, why don't we ask Animi to help get your bed upstairs?
No thanks. We'll help you carry it. Everyone, give it up for Bubble Bear! Thank you, Bubble Bear. Up next with our special music power, Melodino!
I want a magic pet. Oh, this is nice. Stop making so much noise.
Huh?
Why did I just sing that? Oh no!
What are you up to, Winston?
Nothing at all. I've got to get out of here.
Winston took Melodino. We need to get her back.
away from me.
Give Melodino back to us now.
Huh? You're singing. Wait a minute, I'm also singing.
Morphle singing too.
Stop, Winston, stop. Winston, stop. Never, never.
Not in my city. I didn't know I had such a lovely singing voice. La 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 la.
The bridge is going up. That doesn't bother me. Watch this.
Morphle, we gotta get up there. Morphle, get naughty, Winston.
You'll never catch me. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Get ahead of them. Get ahead of them. Let's go.
I'm not enjoying this. I'm not enjoying this.
Go, go, Morphle, go.
Watch out!
Here they come.
Morphle, morph into a trampoline and catch them. You're safe now, Melodino.
I feel sick.
We've seen some excellent talent on show here today.
But the most amazing display of talent was what you three did. Congratulations!
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I can hear the bus, but I can't see it, Morphle. Huh?
Huh? Bus Tiny!
A little bus and bus driver Stacy. How did this happen?
I have no idea. I was driving along and zap! I became tiny.
We have to get you back to your normal size.
Please hurry. I've got passengers to pick up.
We'll help. Morphle, morph into a bus.
Morphle, bus, bus!
Look! Everything's tiny! What's going on? Where's Officer Freeze?
Ah, shoo! Get away from me! Shoo! Oh, thanks, Mila. The bandits shrunk me as I was about to get in my car.
I knew they'd be behind this. But how are we going to find them? I know! We'll follow the trail of shrunken things. Morphle, morph into a police car, and let's make today magical!
Morphle, bus, bus!
A mini soccer ball? A mini police station! They've even shrunk the ice cream truck!
What? Not in my city.
The bandits definitely came this way. But where are they now?
Tiny crane.
We have to get that shrink ray. Chase those bad bandits, Morphle. Give us that shrink ray, you naughty bandits.
Never! Let us go! Zap it! Now shrink Morphle! Hey, what's happening?
Papa, catch bandits!
Thanks for your help, Mila and Morphle. I think I'll keep you this size for a while.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Plane no fly well.
Atmo, use your magic weather powers to blow this paper plane.
Loop-a-loop!
Do you want to do some loops, Morphle, and make today magical? Okay, Morphle, morph into a balloon.
Morphle, morph!
Atmo, make a really strong wind so Morphle can loop the loop too.
Morphle, find Mila! Mila!
Morphle! Morphle!
Oh, Daddy, it was all my fault that Morphle got blown away.
You didn't know that was going to happen.
Huh? Morphle, where are you? Morphle!
Ooh! Huh? Mila!
Morphle! This isn't loud enough. Morphle will never hear me. We need to think of another way. I've got it! Ice cream!
Now isn't the time for snacks.
No, Daddy. Morphle loves ice cream. He'll definitely stop here to get one.
Mila!
There's no sign of Morphle. Rather than waiting for him to find us, let's let him know where we are.
How are we going to do that?
Like this. Morphle loves this music. When he hears it, he'll come and get an ice cream immediately.
Good plan, Mila.
Ice cream!
Morphle! I missed you.
Morphle missed Mila too.
Every day is a magical day with a magic pet.
Having fun up there, Morphle? Flying fun! Whee! Uh-oh! Huh? Huh? Look at the size of that cloud. It's raining! But when there's sun and rain, there's a rainbow! Oh. What's at the end of a rainbow? Whoa, maybe a magic pet. Well, there's only one way to find out. Spinning swing? Okay, Morphle, let's do this. The rainbow ends at the park! I'm getting dizzy! Me too! And it's amazing! Whoa! Can we go down now, please? Let's go to the park! Okay, Chase that rainbow! Just not too fast! There it is! Where's the rainbow going? I don't know! Keep chasing! The rainbow's disappearing! Morphle speeding! Rainbow, wait! No! Jordie It's massive! Here comes the rain! Wow! Look at all the colors! It's amazing! Morphle, could you morph into a plane, please? Welcome to Morphle Airlines. Please fasten your seatbelt and prepare for takeoff. This is incredible! I can't wait to see what's at the end of the rainbow! Me too! Let's land! Do you really think there'll be a new magic pet behind there? I hope so, Jordie.
Please, please, please.
Catmo? What are you doing here? I think she's just playing. I'm sorry you didn't get to see a new pet, Jordie, but we did have fun chasing this awesome rainbow. I guess. Psst, psst, psst. Thank you. Rainbow ice cream! Yummy!
Wow, cool!
Ooh, what that?
It's my new drone.
That was amazing, Jordie!
Thanks. It's the best drone ever.
I want that drone.
Huh?
My drone! It's flying by itself.
Come on!
Whoa! This thing's tricky to steer.
Another lovely day in Petport. Whoa, whoa! What's going on? I'll stop this menace. Whoa!
Officer Freeze!
How do you control this thing?
Somebody help me!
Don't worry, Officer Freeze! We're coming for you! Quick, Morphle! Morph into a fire truck! It's okay, Officer Freeze! Grab my hand!
Thanks, you three. What is that thing?
It's my new drone, but it's flying by itself.
It's not flying by itself. It's flying by Winston. Look!
Stop, you silly drone!
After him!
What are we going to do?
Morphle! Morph into a crane! Drag the bus back to safety! Good job, Morphle!
Whew. Thanks, guys.
Oh, that close!
The drone! After it!
Get back here! Ah! Stop! No, please!
We have to get that remote control.
And I know how! Morphle, morph into a helicopter!
What, you useless thing? Oh!
Stay still, Morphle!
Morphle, try!
Thank you!
Hurry, Mila!
Great job, Mila.
Here you go, Jordie.
This is how you fly a drone.
Nicely done. Every day's a magical day with a magic cat. Hey! Winston!
Check out my new car!
Winston! That's not... A new magic pet?
It's gonna be my magic pet. Eat my dust!
We have to get that pet before Winston! Yeah! Let's go!
Huh? This'll slow you down.
Faster, Morphle! We're gaining on him!
I'm gonna get a magic pet. Huh? Let's see how you cope with slime!
Morphle, morph into a kite buggy! Morphle, Is Lost!
Once you're mine, we rule Petport with my cleverness and your powers! Huh? You can teleport!
There she is! Aw, hello!
Give her to me!
Quick! Let's get back to Daddy!
I'm gonna get you!
We're almost home! We're stuck! Great work, Morphle! Woohoo! Yeah!
Oh, hello. Who are you?
That pet's mine!
Sorry, Winston. You can only have a magic pet if you're their magic match.
Oh, I give up. This time...
Aww, every day's a magical day with a new magic pet.
Mila, Aunt Augustine's coming over, so I need to tidy up.
Do you want us to help, Daddy?
No thanks, Mila. But you could take everyone into the backyard.
Okay, come on, everyone. Let's go outside. Fun! Muffin never do. Oh, I know. Let's build a tree house. Doubler, can you use your magic and make us some more wood, please? Thanks, Doubler. Morphle, help Mila. Morphle, Morph. Great work, Morphle. Wow. Oh, okay. Thank you for working your magic, Animi. You can be the steps, you can be the floor, and you can be a flying hammer. Tickle, tickle. Oh, you're so cute. Bang, bang. Great work, you guys. Now, let's get the walls done. This is looking awesome. Huh? Whoa, Doubler! Animi, we don't need any more wood. Huh? This is getting out of control. Oh, no, not now, Count the Sheep. Morphle. Mila! It's too big and too heavy! What are we gonna do? Doubler, no! Morphle, do something! Well done, Morphle! Count the sheep! Morphle's ah! Everyone, get back! Morphle? I have an idea. If we all work as a team, we can make the best treehouse ever.
Wow! You've made an absolutely incredible treehouse. Well done.
Yes!
Happy birthday, Morphle! Look, I made the perfect Morphle red ice cream. We weren't invited to the party?
I don't want to celebrate with Morphle's dumb red ice cream, Uncle Yawn. I want purple ice cream and I want it now.
I've got a plan, Winston. We'll steal the ice cream truck and make some purple ice cream ourselves. My ice cream truck!
Come on, Morphle. Let's get the ice cream truck back. Can you morph into something that will help us see the whole city?
Morphle! Morph, morph!
There it is! Oh no! We're stuck! Morphle, morph into a super suit!
Morphle! Morph, morph!
After we make purple ice cream, we'll throw our own party and invite no one!
Stop giggling and make it! That's not purple!
Ice cream gone!
Don't cry. Morph magnet hands so we can bring that truck back.
Morphle! Morph, morph!
New plan!
Run! They're getting away! Morphle, morph into a brachiosaurus to catch them!
Bracky, brack, 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 brack! Then I'll morph, morph!
They'll want my purple ice cream since I wasn't invited to Morphle's party!
Winston, is that why you stole Geraldo's truck? Oh, I'm sorry. You must have felt left out. Hey, I have an idea that will make everyone happy. Purple ice cream!
Thank you. I'm sorry we took your truck. Happy birthday, Morphle.
Yay!
Morphle, this flower is going to make our garden even more beautiful. What's that, Professor Paula?
It's my new invention, the multicolor cloner. Watch this. Ta-da!
Wow!
Orphle? Oh, no!
Uh-oh. Quick, Morphle! After them! We've got to do something. A vacuum cleaner? Good thinking, Morphle. Ugh, we need a better plan. Did you hear that, Morphle? Quick!
Mila! Morphle! Help!
Don't worry, Aunt Augustine. We'll help you. Morphle, morph into a flying house.
Okay, Mila.
There's lots of cake in here. Ha-ha! Trap them!
No cake! Ice cream!
Well, this didn't work either.
Ice cream! Orphles want ice cream!
Yes! That's how we'll catch them! Morph into a giant ice cream with legs! Orphles, come get some ice cream!
Ice cream!
Morphle, run!
Oh, look, ice cream!
Woohoo! It's working! Keep running, Morphle! We did it, Morphle! The clones have gone!
Woohoo! Well done, Mila and Morphle.
Orphle wanted ice cream!
Ice cream! Every day is a magical day with a magic pet. Ready, Morphle? Ready! Whoa!
Mila Morphle, meet my new improved partner, Robofreeze 2.0. Hello, citizens.
Officer Freeze? Didn't Robofreeze turn evil last time?
Yes, but now I've got a remote control unit that will switch him off if he turns evil again, which he won't. Oh no, he's turned evil again. Citizens of Petport, prepare to be arrested.
Officer Freeze, use the remote control and switch him off.
I don't have it. Perhaps I left it at the cafe.
Let's go! Take cover!
You're under arrest for eating cakes.
But we actually paid for them.
Let's get the remote control. Halt, citizens. Where are you going? You're under arrest for going to a cafe.
Officer Freeze, grab the remote and we'll distract him. Woo, you can't catch us.
Hey, let me out! Stop. You need a permit to fly.
Faster, Morphle! Morphle, hide! Phew! Let's get back to Officer Freeze.
Let me out! Let me out! Activate new upgrade. Ha ha ha. Oh, why did I install that force field maker? You're under arrest for trying to break into a cafe.
Morphle, morph into a flying robot! Morphle, aim the lasers at the force field! Yes!
No! Mila, catch!
Hang on, Morphle!
Now, Mila! Great work, you two. Next time, we'll make sure you don't turn evil. Maybe there won't be a next time.
Daddy's gonna love this cake we've made for him, Morphle.
Look tasty!
Daddy works so hard looking after us. He deserves a treat sometimes.
Ooh, cake! Orphle eat cake!
Hey, put that down! We've got to get that cake back. Morphle, morph into a space hopper.
Morphle, morph, morph!
You give that cake back, Orphle.
Why you?
Morphle, sorry!
You!
Orphle, no eat Daddy's cake!
Morphle, morph into a race car so we can catch Orphle.
Morphle, morph, morph!
Not again!
So sorry, Mr. Vanderboos. We made that cake for Daddy.
Come and get it!
Orphle's going to ruin Daddy's cake. We have to get it back. Morphle, morph into a robot. We can still make today magical.
Morphle, morph, morph!
That's the third time today!
Sorry!
No!
Morphle, catch that cake! Well done, Morphle. You saved the cake. We'll bring you a nice slice later, Mr. Vanderboos.
Hey! What about Morphle?
We made you this cake, Daddy.
Oh, thank you. I hope you didn't go to any trouble.
No trouble, Daddy. Every day's a magical day with a magic pet.